Hey guys, welcome for another video. You are watching.
Hey guys, welcome back. Hope everyone are doing well. So I just wanted to show you guys on how we can utilize ChatGPT or Gemini to perform secure design reviews. That would be like everyday routine work if you are doing application security work or any kind of product security activities, right? So I had developed one prompt where we can make ChatGPT or Gemini or any LLM to work as a AI assistant for us for a secure design review. So I just wanted to show how does ChatGPT versus Gemini works when we doing the secure design review. For that purpose, I have created two design reviews, one for event booker ticket booking platform, which is a kind of middle level design, not like full complex one. We have another design which talks about a food delivery platform, which even talks about order tracking and driver management system, a lot of other stuff, right? So let's try to see in the both scenarios how would each LLM works and which one is much better when compared to both, right? So this is my prompt. Let me go to ChatGPT. Let me select 4.0. I still believe 4.0 is pretty good and solid. So let me paste my prompt in 4.0 and let me, okay, I have a 2.5 Pro. Let me drop my prompt in Gemini. Okay, so here, okay, updated. Okay, the memory is set to act like an secure design review agent. Gemini is taking more time to understand and assume the role. Might be because I have chosen 2.5 Pro because it takes lot of reasoning on its own. I can even also try something like, let me duplicate and try the Flash. I think Flash would be much faster, but yeah, like it replayed back to me in a few seconds, I can tell, right? Okay, anyhow, let's use the Flash. I'm just showing you kind of example. Even here, I didn't use a 5.0 thinking. I just use a 4.0. It is also kind of super fast. Let me start with the event booking. Before that, we can just go through it once so that we'll have some idea what is that actually the design is doing. So the problem statement, event organized for 5 different tools. Okay, the solution overview: end-to-end event management, booking, blockchain-based ticket verification, real-time seat selection, and core features. And they have the okay, they have a CDN as a CloudFront, and they have managed service with DNS managed service from AWS Route 53 and WAF configuration, and they have a Kubernetes cluster based deployment, and they have all the applications, and they store everything, I mean all the data in the bucket, and it is a public access. This is kind of sketchy. And they do have infrastructure components, and they have like APIs for registration events. By looking into here, I see they haven't talked anything about authorization or authentication. I can identify that as one finding. And front-end components, they have a component events, booking, admin, user profile, again user profile. I don't think they're talking about anything about front-end security items which could be flagged. At the okay, front-end components, okay, they have some API key. Oh, okay, they have. Oh, okay, something sketchy. Like they have the API key in the front end. Nice. We'll see. We'll come back and see like what does our AI will flag on this. They have the database schemas. Cool. No index defined on a foreign keys. Bad. And technical decisions. Okay, let's see. Uh, Let me upload the event booker first. Let's analyze this. In the meanwhile, let me go to the Flash and see. Okay, let me import for this as well. Let's analyze. In the meanwhile, oh, okay, the ChatGPT is already gave some results. Art code APIs definitely I thought, and MD5 password. Okay, that's also one of the good catch. Credit card, admin panel without MFA, public file. Expected this. SQL injection, lack of origin checks on WebSockets, good. Unprotected React routes and sensitive data. Not bad. Definitely for prolonging things, it has identified very well. Let's see how the stride matrix has been created. Art code APIs to information. Okay, cool. Tampering and reputation, correct. Not bad. Definitely, it has given some of the information that could be identified easily. Abuse case matrix. Okay, how it can be abused? Like some of the, I can tell like some of the threats, how it can become a vulnerability, something like that. Public S3 share hosting a malware or phishing and serving to any people and admin dashboard, full DB manipulation. Not bad. Definitely, I can rate, if you ask me out of 10, I can rate it somewhere around 6.5. This prompt I just wrote in probably around like 10 to 15 minutes. Definitely, I have some of other custom prompts. If I upload this file to there, definitely it will identify a lot more details than what we are seeing here. This prompt is generated just for this video purpose. If at all, if any of you guys are interested to get that main prompt, uh, DM me in a LinkedIn so that I can share you guys that prompt. Okay. I mean, well, let's go to Gemini. Oh, Gemini is even explaining about the business and technical architecture. That is good. Did ChatGPT? No, ChatGPT directly went to the findings. Gemini, not bad. These are kind of matured way. Okay, here comes the analysis of the findings. All external API endpoints, assets. Okay, but it's the gatekeeper. Database. Okay. Oh, here is the actual thing. Um, Database with a public endpoint with no access control. Nice. MD5, same thing. Tampering, hard-coded APIs, not bad. SQL queries, PII, unencrypted. Uh, Let me export it. How many findings we had here? 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many did, let me open in the sheets. I think it also gave a 10 findings itself. Predictable sequential QR code IDs, PI card. Okay, what else we have? Okay, attack scenario mapping. Nice. This is kind of good thing. SQL injection discovers. Yeah, this can give some more idea to the developers, like how a threat can be converted into a vulnerability. Here it has given bit more explanation. Here I think we had some table kind of thing, abuse case matrix, something like that. Abuse case. Oh, it's the same thing, abuse case. But this section probably something extra they have given. We didn't add any kind of attack scenario mapping, right? Yeah, we didn't add anything. We have a attack tree. Okay. Let's see the next thing. Abuse case one. How many abuse case this ChatGPT gave us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same. Okay, what are user registration, seat selection? these are different, man. Definitely. Uh, User selection, okay, user registration, okay, spoofing kind of activity, seat selection, race condition issues, definitely. Bulk operations can be a DOS or tampering. I definitely kind of liking Gemini in this, to be honest. Not much, but definitely have some more meaningful explanation. I can tell perimeter, defense gap analysis, identity, data, application, network monitoring, and storage. Yeah, it does have the similar uh, findings. Prioritization, okay. Risk scoring matrix, authentication, okay. Oh, it is giving some of the feedbacks to kind of developers, like how they can fix it. Oh, it does give. Oh, this is nice. Like if they wanna come up with some Zira ticket, it does give very good example on a Zira ticket. This is nice. If you can ask like, uh, can you give the Zira formatted data for all the findings, just like the one you gave for uh, definitely it will give, right? See, this is nice. I can rate out of 10 probably around 7, 7.5. For the kind of reasoning, I think it could be much better here. Okay, let me try to do via 5. How does it behave when I use the GPT-5? Here also directly it went for. I don't think it will have any much difference. Same. It just the kind of context it will analyze or the way it will present can differ, but I still see the same kind of findings. Nothing differs here. But yeah, it gave very good formatted data than Gemini. Uh, okay, ChatGPT, would you like this exported as a PDF Jira formatted? With a severity Jira CSV template. No, I don't need any kind of. Okay, let me ask. Okay, can you give Jira formatted data for uh, I and critical items only? Let's see like how it would give us. It should give some of the kind like explanation things. What is this bug, or how a threat can become a vulnerability, something like that. It gave me the CSV file. Mm, let me open the CSV file, right? I didn't like. I was thinking that it would give. Uh, okay, what happened? I didn't. Okay, let me import. Okay. Okay. It gave in a CSV format with recommendations, CVE, descriptions. Okay, but not something like what we expected. Okay, not bad, definitely not bad. Let me switch back to 4.0 because this is really good. I like it. I don't know. Depends upon you guys, like based on the kind of reasoning you guys choose, it differs. Let me see how it behaves for a food delivery platform. Okay, before that, we can just go and read through it. Food delivery, we have very good architecture, right? Internet gateway, customer apps, driver app, restaurant, load balancer. But this has something complex architecture, and we have how many APIs? 12 APIs. Nice, nice. I expect something to be more better in this. Let's analyze in the same way. Uh, let's do it. Let's analyze this. I think 4 would be already started. What? Again, here also 10. Shared. No connection polling. Why it's only showing me 10, 10, 10? Definitely, my prompt is not like that. Limit for 10, something like that. Your security and review, because if you can read through it, I've asked it like think like a user and also think like an attacker, and how you have to review that and the shared analysis table. Definitely, I have not restricted anyway to 10. The same prompt I had used for Gemini also. Let's see, Gemini, how many? Not bad, Gemini. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think the vulnerabilities in the each design can be only 10 probably. Yeah, right. Yeah, that can be the one scenario. Test control, security control, validations, risk scoring metrics, abuse case matrix, defense gap analysis. I think here also, I'm not sure. The the previous data was much better. I mean, like the design review that we did previously, that is event booker, that had a very good explanationer data. I could tell. All right. Uh, I just wanted to show you guys like how each LLM interprets and the kind of analyzing the things would be differ. So this is how where or when you can utilize the AI for security. In a sense, if you have a very small feature that's rolling out in your pipeline, you can have a automation setup on your design reviews. For an example, you have some shared folder in your drive. You link your ChatGPT with that, or have automation in that where you will pull the drive particularly on some interval, and if you see any kind of new document came in that drive, you pull that document and perform the secure design review and send the alerts to the Slack channel. And in the Slack channel, you have automation to create a Jira tickets on reviewing the findings sent by the ChatGPT or a Gemini, right? We can have the similar kind of automation in our environment. So yeah, this is one way how you can utilize the LLM in your regular AppSec routine work. See you guys in another video.
Hey guys, welcome for another video. You are watching